lightweight vacuum cleaner is a 3-in-1 super strong multifunction suctioning and inflating miracle of a machine for those who cannot pick up heavy things and want to clean. And I am a C6-7 quadriplegic, and I have never fully cleaned and vacuumed and shampooed my own van. This has been a dream of mine since I got this van, and I will show you just how amazing it is. Okay, I am super duper, hooper scooper impressed with my new handheld vacuum, which inflates and deflates. It is an Oxtora. This is the attachment that gets in between little crevices that I'll show you in the next videos. And it is helping me clean every little crevice of my van. And I'm super excited about it, and it's super easy. You know, this one just detaches like this. This just spins, which is not hard to grip. You take out the filter, which is easy. Obviously dirty. Gonna clean it, empty it. You just rinse this off with water, let it dry, put it back in, stick this back on. So easy peasy. And it comes with like 8 attachments for inflating and deflating. And to turn it on is just this little button that's not hard to push. You hold for 3 seconds. It's incredible. Incredible. I'm telling you, this thing is going to change my van's life. My van is going to be so beautiful. I can't even tell you. So worth it. So amazing. Got it off of Amazon. I recommend it for everybody. Quad friendly, quad with a little hand control friendly.